welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can rewrite your money story and achieve financial success with these 5 essential tips. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 5 actionable steps that can help you gain control of your finances, build wealth, and ultimately achieve the financial freedom you deserve. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about making smart, sustainable changes that will pay off in the long run. The first step to changing your financial story is understanding where you currently stand. So grab your favorite financial tracking app, a spreadsheet, or even just a pen and paper, and let's get real with our finances. Start by listing out all your sources of income. This could be your salary, wages from a side hustle, or any other money coming in. Track your spending for a month, and I mean everything. From your rent or mortgage payments to those daily coffees, write it all down. Once you have your income and expenses laid out, it's time to calculate your net worth. Knowing your net worth gives you a clear picture of your overall financial health. By understanding your current financial situation, you'll be able to identify areas where you can improve and make informed decisions about your money moving forward. Now that you have a clear understanding of your current financial situation, it's time to set some goals. Tip number 2. Having clear financial goals is like having a destination in mind when you're on that road trip. So, what does financial success look like to you? Do you want to buy a house? Pay off debt? Retire early? Whatever it is, write it down. But here's the key. Make sure your goals are SMART. That means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, set a specific goal like, I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a condo in the next 2 years. Break down your big goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. And remember, your goals can evolve as your life changes. So check in on them regularly and make adjustments as needed. Tip number 3, create a budget and stick to it. Now that you know where you want to go, it's time to create a roadmap to get there. That roadmap is your budget. Start by listing out all your essential expenses, rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt payments. Then, allocate a portion of your income towards your savings goals and fun money. There are tons of budgeting methods out there, so find one that works best for you. Whether it's the 50/30/20 rule, zero-based budgeting, or something else entirely, the key is to find a system that you can stick to. Review it regularly, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. And don't beat yourself up if you overspend in one category from time to time. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Tip number 4 is to invest in your financial education. One of the best investments you can ever make is in yourself, specifically your financial education. The more you know about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and grow your wealth over time. Start by reading personal finance books and blogs. Listen to podcasts or watch YouTube channels dedicated to financial literacy. Take advantage of free online courses and resources offered by reputable organizations. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in your ability to manage your money effectively. Make it a habit to continuously educate yourself and stay updated on the latest financial trends and strategies. Tip number 5 is to surround yourself with financially savvy people. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your financial habits and, ultimately, your success. Seek out friends, family members, or mentors who are good with money. Engage in conversations about personal finance, ask for advice, and learn from their experiences. Join online communities or forums where people discuss money matters. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network of financially savvy individuals can make the process more enjoyable, educational, and ultimately more successful. Outro. Start rewriting your money story today. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial success content. Start by implementing these 5 tips today, and watch as you begin to rewrite your money story. It's time to create the financially secure future you deserve. See you in the next video.